today we're going to show you how to make stir fry. So first, you're going to need a little pan for the egg and a big pan for your ingredients. So first, you're going to need white rice, beef, and broccoli, and 3 eggs. Soy sauce. Need vegetable oil. Your little stove top. On. 2 medium. I'm gonna put vegetable oil on my pan. And then you spread that a little. And when you're cooking, you should put your hair up so your hair doesn't fall on your food. Adult supervision. Because this stuff that we're doing right now is hot. We're gonna crack our egg and put it in the bowl. And now we're gonna add some salt. Put as much salt you need. So first, you see this little dry part?
The bubbly side. Look at this part.
Yeah. First, we're gonna bring this in, then it comes into it. This stovetop on to medium. Okay, so now you're gonna add vegetable oil to your big pan. First, we're gonna put our rice after it gets hot. Okay, now before you do anything else, be sure to have adult supervision because this one is really hot. So first, you're gonna add your white rice. Then we add your broccoli. Now we're gonna put our beef. Then we're gonna add our soy sauce.
There you go.
Then you're gonna pour your egg with the rest. Bye guys, I hope you like this recipe and comment down below if you want us to make any more cooking videos or any other videos. Give us a big thumbs up, subscribe, and ring the bell. Bye, peace.